I'll sit there. You drive. You drive this bus.
Yeah.
We are back with Alexa for Musicians. Today we have Papi K,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
local Columbus musician. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. I heard you got a new EP coming out. You mind talking more about that?
Yes, sir. It's called Winning Streak. It's gonna have 5 songs on it. It's pretty much I want to just drop an EP before my album drops. You know what I'm saying? Get people hyped for it. I haven't dropped since like November, and it was just like one single. And
What?
I was thinking the other day too, like I only dropped 5 songs last year. So
In all of 2019?
Cause I was going through some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like moving studios, like all that stuff.
So you're giving Columbus some stuff early,
Mhm.
starting in February, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you're doing a music video soon to promote that, yeah?
We already shot that, so he's editing it right now. So we're hopefully trying to get it within like a week or 2. So.
You hear that, Columbus? If you're watching, get ready. Papi K is going to be putting out a lot of content coming soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For now, you are the next musician from Columbus, Ohio that's about to be on Amazon Alexa. It's going to keep us on the pedestal because right now there are more musicians in Columbus, Ohio on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant than any other city in the world. And it's all because of musicians like you. So thank you. And I'm very blessed to have people like you in here. And thank you for being patient with the platform. Let's get started.
Let's get started, buddy. Thank you for having me. I'm excited. It's
Cool.
crazy.
You got the website. I'm going to just kind of back off and I'll let you drive the boat. This is
Got a boat, baby.
This is you.
I got you.
Show Columbus how it's done.
All right. So should I just create your outline? 1, 3 songs. No speaker. Let's try this.
Send with email. We got the email in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Password. Cool.
Name. Okay, upload. Let's do that. So first song I'm gonna upload is Wrist Piece, which is off my 21 Candles EP, which I dropped end of 2018, and this is like my biggest song to date. So this one's a special one to me. Fill it up a little. There we go.
Wrist Piece. That one's the one that's up at the top of Spotify, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That one was really good. I listened to it in the drive-in this morning.
Thank you, buddy. Is it, if you
Do you mind click and play? I want to hear just a little bit of it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this beat's really good.
It's a YouTube.
You said this was
video.
2018?
Yeah, 2018, end of 2018. Mm-hmm.
And this one went big for you.
Mm-hmm. This one's special, man.
Now go ahead and try that upload.
Let's go. Alright. Then click plus.
Mm-hmm.
Do it. Then let's do Beat the Block. Second song is gonna be Beat the Block, featuring Waka Flocka. Block Bang.
Waka Flocka. Wow, that's
Flocka.
big collaboration.
Huge, man.
That's big value bringing into Columbus.
Bro, it
We
was
need
crazy.
collaborations like that.
Right? Block wave, so you say. Okay. And then upload.
So this was with Waka Flocka. When did you come out with this?
I came out with this, I think it was like 2018, 20. I actually don't remember.
So you had a lot of bangers in
2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it was 2017. September, around September 2017. Because I opened up for him in Myrtle Beach. And then let me just tell you the quick story. So like pretty much like I opened up for him in Myrtle Beach. It was like this big festival, right? And I was supposed to go like 2 sets before he went on.
Mm-hmm.
So and we like paid some money for it too, right? And then like we get there, we're like ready to go, we're getting like hype and all that. And then they tell us, yo, you're going at like 5 p.m., which was like 10 sets earlier than like what we planned on and all that. And then like I was like kind of pissed off and all that, because like right before Walker came on, like it was packed and all that. So like I went up to the dude that was running the whole thing. I was like, yo, like you owe us something. Like I want to meet Walker. You know what I'm saying? And
Okay.
I told him that. And
Yeah. And how'd that go?
And then pretty much he was like, man, like I could do that. And then so Walker performed, killed it, bro. He killed it.
Packed the house?
Yeah, bro. Oh my god, his energy, bro. Like when he does a little like dread shake, bro, it's crazy live, bro.
So you got to meet him after?
Yeah. So we pretty much linked up with him after and talked to his manager and all that. He was cool as hell. And then we were like, yo, we want a feature. And then his manager's like, bet, like send us something. You know what I'm saying? Like we'll check it out. If it's fire, like we'll hop on it. I was like, bet. Went back to Columbus. And then, like, I'm with, like, my old manager and all that. And we're just playing beats. I'm just trying to find a beat. Because I don't want to give him, like, a song I already have and just, like, an open verse. Nah, I have to make something specifically for Walker.
Mm-hmm.
I hear that beat, and I was freestyling in the car. I'm like, and I was like, okay, it's going to be. So I went in the studio, laid it down that night, like, wrote the hook, verse. And the funny part is there's an extended version with a second verse, my second verse on it, which is, like, crazy. And I had to pretty much cut that second verse and put Walker's verse like right there, because it was a single. I was dropping it as a single, so it couldn't be like long and all that.
You're a very intelligent artist. I love where your mind's at in terms of collaboration, putting yourself on the stages you need to, and then leveraging the relationships you have in order to bring more value to your own brand and in Columbus.
Exactly. And it's
Genius.
just like solidifying us and like making us look like way more like, yo, we're out there, like we're getting big name artists, like like our generation, we grew up on Walker, like you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
6th grade, the middle school dancing,
Yes.
like, playing that, like
Yes.
young as hell, bumping, oh my god, like he's crazy, yo. So pretty much after that, finished that, and then I sent him that open verse, and like while I guess like I sent it out and all that, a couple days after, his manager texts my manager, he's like, yo, Walker's asking what his name is, what the artist's name is. He didn't even know my name.
But he already made the feature?
Yeah, bro. He was working on it. And then I was like, why is he asking for my name? And then my manager's like, bro, he's going to put your name in the song, bro. I was like, nah, he ain't going to do that. He's not going to do that. And then like a week or 2 after, his manager flies out with like the session and all that. And then he plays it in the studio. It's me and my homies and all that. We're like, we're listening to my part. We don't care. We're just waiting for Walker's part. He comes on, starts spazzing. We're like, oh my God, bro, he's actually on this. Then all of a sudden he's like, yeah, Papi, good. In the condos, what? Bro, that.
You got a shout out from Waka Flocka on your own track?
Oh my God. We all were like, yo, what, bro? Like, we're
That's
out of here,
level.
bro. we made it type shit. Like, it was just crazy, bro. So, like, yeah, it was definitely an experience.
If you're listening to this from Columbus, there's some hot tracks on here from Papi K. Get ready to start launching it.
It's about to be crazy, yo, for real. So I'm about to upload this one right here. And then, sorry, that was actually really long.
Oh, we already got it.
Oh, we got it?
We're on the last song.
Dope. Let's do it. So the last one is going to be, which one was it? It was going to be All Shade. That's what it was going to be. And then this one, the third song is going to be All Shade, which is off my most recent EP, Party Pack.
Party Pack?
Yeah, this was the first song off of it, and it's like pretty much like a fan favorite, so yeah, this one's a special one too.
Tokyo vibes.
It's crazy that at first it sounds like some Asian like type beat, and then like it switches to like some Mexican. It's so weird, bro. I love it. But
Songs are uploaded.
cool. Let's go. Alright, so what else do we gotta do? So chord boys to train Papi K's your voice is key. Hey, it's Papi K. Dope. So do I speak it into this mic?
I don't have those hooked up right now.
But,
We'll record it on this for now.
okay.
And later on, if you guys want to update it with your phone or get some better audio from a studio, we'll do that.
Dope.
You saying this, maybe next time I'll figure out how I can leverage these mics to do that.
But let's do it. I'm gonna do it right now. Here's Papi K. Welcome to my interact.
And I'm going to prime you because every musician's pointed out it's not going to give you any feedback right now.
Okay.
That's something I want to add in a countdown because musicians seem to understand that like 3, 2, 1. When you click record, it'll be recording. It's not going to give you any feedback that it's recording, but it will.
So, okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. Hey, it's Papi K, and welcome to my I sounded so nice. Hold on, let me do that again.
Hello guys.
Hello, guys. Hey.
Feel free to remix this for something that's more your
Okay,
brand.
cool. Yeah, let me do that. What's up, guys? It's Papi K, and welcome to my interactive album. You can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like? Ooh, I like that. Sauce on there. Alright, and then upload.
Try the play. Let's see how it sounds.
What's up, guys? It's Papi K, and welcome to my interactive album. You can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like?
Fire.
I like that. Upload. This is sweet. I like this, bro.
It's okay so far?
I love it. For real, bro. I love this. This is
Okay.
sweet. Let's go next.
And again, yeah. You can go back here anytime. You already made the account, so you can go back
Yeah.
anytime.
You can ask me, and then record this one.
Mm-hmm.
You can ask me where. Alright, let me do it again. And then refresh, right?
Yeah, I gotta make.
Already getting the hang of it, baby. Alright, let's go. You can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like? Yeah. You can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like? You gonna hear me talking like this and then you beat the block. Be like, what the heck? Is this the same guy?
You have some sense.
This one you'll definitely want to remix. This is signing off. So
Thanks for vibing with me. I like this. This is Papi K signing off. I want to hear more. Just say play music for Papi K.
and maybe you even want to say beat the block bite, whichever one we got to work really well.
Ah, okay.
You know,
Okay, so I'll probably say. Okay, so which one? Say it again.
you'll say a signing off. This
Okay.
is you saying peace out to your fans.
Okay.
So that they said goodbye, they said exit, they said something. So you're giving them the farewell. You say goodbye, and then you tell them how if they want to hear your music again, what they need to say to play it. And when we were testing this before, we were able to get beat the block to work.
Okay.
So if you want to say that, you can. Otherwise, you can just say play music from Papi K.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say that.
Okay.
I don't want. Yeah, I'm gonna just like stutter and all that. Okay, thanks for vibing. This is Papi K. That's good. Hey, yo, thanks for listening. This is Papi K signing off. If you want to hear more, just say play music from Papi K. Love you guys. Be safe and see you next time. Hey, keep that in. That's not. Be like,
That was cute, bro.
I
Let's hear
love
if it
him. I
showed
do
up.
love him, man.
Hey, yo, thanks for listening. This is Papi K signing off. If you want to hear more, just say play music from Papi K. Love you guys. Be safe and see you next time.
There's Von Graves
Oh,
featured.
damn, keep that in there. Cover boy. Okay. No, I'm still working on it. Oh, okay, so this is okay, but
If someone asks you something,
maybe I don't kind of.
what's the formula to find energy? Can you come and clean my house? Will you take out my trash? Like if they ask you any random thing, this is you reacting to that. So this is a good time for your authenticity to show through. People like to make this one kind of funny, but
Okay, I
like,
got you.
feel free to remix.
That's funny.
This
because
part
I
you
like-
can remix.
Yeah.
This
you can ask
kind of
me-
read off.
Okay, I got you. You got me confused on that one. But in the meantime, you can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like?
You sound like flipping Alexa.
You got me confused on that one. But in the meantime, you can ask me, where can I listen to your music? How can I connect or play a song? Which would you like?
Oh, this is so sweet. I love this. What do you think of my new song?
this is gonna play before. So what's gonna happen is they'll say play song. This gets played right before it, and then it immediately rolls into the song. So it's almost like you're opening up the curtain. You're saying, "What do you think?" And then the curtain opens and your song plays.
Okay. What do you think? Okay. I want to say something like else. Yeah, I'll just say that. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, be real. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me do that. Oh, yeah, refresh. Alright, guys, be real. What do you think of my new song?
Alright, guys, be real. What do you think of my new song?
Find my music on Spotify, Tidal, Napster, SoundCloud. I see like Apple Music too.
Yeah. The parentheses are just list off whichever
whichever ones.
whichever you like.
You ask me how can I connect? Okay, I got you. You can find my music on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, SoundCloud, etc. You can ask me how can I connect? Where can I listen to your music or play a song? Which would you like? Which would you like?
You can find my music on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, SoundCloud, etc. You can ask me how can I connect? Where can I listen to your music or play a song? Which would you like?
Last one.
Dope. You can ask me where I can go.
Shout out your socials.
I got you. You can connect with You can connect with me on Instagram. You can connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter at PapiK, PAPIK 614. You can ask me where can I listen to your music, how can I connect, or play a song. Which would you like?
You can connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter at PapiK, PAPIK 614. You can ask me where can I listen to your music, how can I connect, or play a song. Which would you like?
Final quest. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go, let's go. Hold this on, Alexa, for your fans. You got this. Yes sir. Final quest. Okay, do I click this?
That's it.
Okay. It'll probably be my real name.
Mm-hmm.
Can't hand out my government.
What do you think we should do here? So right now it's submitting it, so it's wrapping it all up. A bunch of robots are packaging it, and they're about to send it off to Amazon. Anything, this spinner, I don't know if it gives you guys the feedback. Any recommendations for what we could put here?
I was thinking just like if you could have the whatever vocals that we just recorded, just have them like right here, just in case they want to hear it back one more time while they're waiting.
And it gives them something to do while we're waiting. I like that.
Mhm.
I like that.
But this looks fine too.
Done. Welcome.
My dog. I appreciate you, bro.
Welcome to the family. Papi K, in review. It'll take Amazon about 3 to 5 business days, but as soon as it's live, this dashboard will get updated with your data. So you can come back here and just like on your Spotify Art for Artists,
Okay.
you can check your data at any time to be able to see how many people are using it, where are they using it, what times are they using it,
Now
and
you use
then
that on the Spotify artist app.
you use that here.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, you come in here and you look at it.
Dope, bro. This is
So
dope.
you're on, yeah.
This is the future right here, yo. I swear.
Again, we're trying to make this to help y'all out,
Mhm.
the future of music. We'll try it in a sec over on those devices, and then I think after that, I'm very curious, bowing down in your dojo, of how we can make this a better tool for you as a musician, okay?
For sure. Honestly, I don't have any complaints. Honestly,
Was it challenging?
Nah, it was actually comfortable. Usually, like I get kind of like a little anxiety before this, but like, nah, this is comfortable. I
That's
like
good.
it.
Okay.
This is sweet, and I always liked Alexa. Like, it's kind of creepy how she's always listening sometimes, but I like her a lot.